2013 Infinity qx56, replacing a suspension air compressor. It's pretty straightforward. It's located by the spare tire on the left of the car, right here. So removing, there's a 4 bolt, they're 30 mil, and also there's a intake pipe which goes here. So just pull it out for the older one and put the new one back, and they lock itself. And there's two hoses for the struts, the back struts. So these one you just push it in, pull it out, it lock itself, and the removing is pretty straightforward. So you need to push this orange thingy in and pull the hole out. And here's the part number for the new one. Thank you for watching.